The BIGTREETECH BIQU Pro Frostbite is a large magnetic build surface tailored to the Bambu Lab H2D and H2S printers, giving full coverage for big projects without overhangs or dead zones. Its textured surface grips common materials like polylactic acid and polyethylene terephthalate glycol extremely well at room temperature, so big flat parts stay put without glue or a heated bed. By enabling low-temperature printing, this plate cuts bed warm-up time and noticeably reduces overall energy use, while also helping to avoid heat-related filament softening and extruder slipping. Despite the strong hold during printing, finished parts usually pop free with a simple flex of the plate, and stubborn jobs can be released cleanly with a short trip to the freezer instead of aggressive scraping. The coating is designed to resist scratches and gradually self-recover from minor marks, so the surface keeps looking smooth and performing consistently after many print cycles. Maintenance is straightforward because a quick wash with water and mild soap restores grip, eliminating the need for sprays, tapes, or harsh solvents that can damage other build plates.